Child labor essay in English. Child labor refers to the employment of children at regular and sustained labor. In many developed countries, it is considered inappropriate or exploitative if a child below a certain age works, excluding household chores. An employer is usually not permitted to hire a child in advanced countries, but in developing countries the situation is different. According to a report, 220 million children aged 5 to 17 are subject to child labor all around the world. It is very common in Latin America, Africa, and Asia. They are generally engaged in carpet industry, sports industry, and hotels. The concept of child labor got much attention during the 1990s when European countries announced a ban on the goods of the less developed countries because of child labor. In Pakistan, 3.8 million children out of total 40 million in age group 5 to 14 are working. They are pressed to earn a living for themselves and their families. 50% of these economically active children are in age group of 5 to 9 years. Even out of these 3.8 million economically active children, 2.7 million were claimed to be working in the agriculture sector. The main causes of child labor are poverty, unemployment, and overpopulation. Among these, poverty is the primary cause of child labor. Poor families have more members of children, so it becomes very difficult for them to survive on the income of a single breadwinner. So they make their children work. Child labor is a ban which deprives them of the realization of their full potential. It deprives a child of proper childhood. He suffers from physical and mental torture. This practice forces some children to steal things. Many small girls are even made to indulge in prostitution. Child labor is a complex problem which demands a range of solutions. To prevent child labor, education must be made compulsory. Awareness must be raised and the attention of parents ought to be diverted to the education of their children. Child labor laws should be put into practice strictly. The orphans and other deserving children must be educated and their families should be helped financially. The government should make agreement with the countries which are keen to cooperate in this direction to reduce child labor in the country. Poor families should be given awareness about family planning so that they are not burdened by children. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.